Hi, tonight I'm going to be installing this Kidde, this micro Kidde smoke detector. It's like $13 I bought from Walmart. So actually, it came with this already. So anyway, you don't have to buy them. Okay, and basically, I'm going to be mounting this on the ceiling with the A side, this side, like, in front of me. So this side is going to be facing me, and then one is ready. To install this, you're going to turn clockwise to activate the battery and the alarm. And you don't have to do anything after that. It will be all until like 10 years, hopefully. So I'm going to be drilling a couple holes on the ceiling. So I'm going to put in only a couple of screws. That should be enough. So I already marked my ceiling. Go ahead and use probably this drill bit to do it. Should be fairly easy. Let's start it. So I already do a hole here. I'm gonna do another hole here. So I have my anchor here. Gonna go ahead and put it in. To use a little bit of bigger drill bit. And okay, so that going okay. A little loose, but I think it's okay. So I'm gonna drill another hole here and put the anchor there and just mount the wall plate. I'm gonna go ahead, hopefully I don't block the view. Go ahead and put in my, oops. Okay, we'll go ahead and screw this in with the Phillips screwdriver here. You can see this. So with the plate here and the screw, I'm gonna go ahead and mount it like so. Okay, here it should be done. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on and turn it clockwise. Okay. Okay, look like it's in. Turn it clockwise. Do you hear that? Look like it should be on now. So there you have it. I think we're pretty much done with it. I'm going to install another one.